pony number 6. Your head and your ear, your hair, your eye, another eye, nose, smile, here, your body and your leg. Oh, very big leg. 2 leg, body, leg number 3, your neck, and your tail. Your eye, 2 eyes, your eyes, your eye. So good. Coloring your body. First, coloring your head, neck, little neck. Then your 1 leg, your 2 leg, your body, your 3 leg, your 4 leg, then your wings, here, like this. And your tail. Everything is ready. Beautiful pony. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye или bye? Bye or bye?